class, we were discussing the actually we were discussing the properties of real numbers, and then the next part is that R, capital R, usually denotes the set of real numbers. We assume that two binary operations, addition and multiplication, dot or cross, are defined in capital R. Following are the properties or laws for real numbers. Like, when we say that capital R usually denotes the set of real numbers, and we assume that two binary operations, addition and multiplication, it means that capital R is a set of real numbers. That is why it is denoted by the symbol capital R. And also that binary operations means that addition and multiplication. And addition laws means closure law of addition, like it is written that very first law is actually written to be as closure law, means that actually law of addition means we just add two numbers, and this capital A written upwards is written as for all, and it is said that for all A B belongs to capital R, A plus B belongs to capital R. And associative law of addition means that for all A B C belongs to capital R, comma, A plus bracket B plus C bracket close is equal to A plus B plus C. Now you know that actually the concept of the properties or the closure law of addition. These all laws actually means that in mathematics we are actually finding out that how certain numbers can be added, and they can be actually added if we consider them in place of letters. Like for all means that this symbol will be used for any number, and A, B will be the real number, and C can also be any real number like 1, 2, 3, etc. And it is written that they all belong to set of real numbers. Set of real number means that like they actually belong to real number. And for example, if we say that like capital R means real numbers, and they can have actually any kind of numbers that can be added, and they can be multiplied with themselves. Additive identity means for all A belongs to real numbers, then this symbol capital E stands for there exists 0 belongs to real number, such that A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equal to A. 0 is read as 0 is called the identity element of addition, and actually 0 is also the element of a real number. And if we talk about the fact that 0 is read as 0, then it is called the identity element, means it can be added with any number, it can be subtracted with any number, and it can be multiplied with any number. And additive inverse, these are all the properties. Like if we say that we have a fruit, let's say mango, and if we have a fruit, let's say mango, then its properties will be like it is of yellow color, it has a very sharp aroma means its fragrance, we can smell it. And then we have its property like it is very sugary or tasty. So just like these properties of a mango, which is actually a fruit, we have also the properties of or laws of mathematics. Like addition laws means there certain numbers can be added in a number of ways. Then we have additive inverse. Additive inverse means for all A belongs to real numbers, and there exists, you actually have to read these symbols as they are written, okay? Like you just have to actually read out loud. I think the best way to learn something is to practice it a lot and to repeat it, because if you actually see that for all A belongs to real numbers, and there exists minus A belongs to capital R, such that A plus minus A is equal to 0. Now you see that if you subtract two similar numbers like plus 1 and minus 1, they will be cancelled out and it will be equal to 0. And then it can also be written as bracket minus a plus a. It will be also be equal to 0. Then we have commutative law for addition. Commutative law for addition means for all a b belongs to real numbers, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Like commutative law for addition means that, like if you say that you have real number set, right, and then you say that if 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 plus 1, then it means that 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2, and it will be also equal to 1 plus 1, which is also equal to 2. It means if we write 2 plus 1, it is equals to 3 on the left hand side, then it will be equal to 1 plus 2, which is also equal to 3 on the right hand side. And commutative means both the numbers that are actually written on both sides, they are actually equal. Then we have, these are all the additive laws, and they have to be very carefully learned, and they have to be very carefully written and memorized.